Let's read some words together. All of these words have this sound in them. Do you know what sound this is? Right, when the n and the k go together, they make the nk sound. So let's read some words with the nk sound in them. What does this say? P-I-N-K. Pink. So let's put this with the pink. What does this say? Ink. Ink. Where does this go? Right, we'll put it there. What does this say? Ink. Wink. We'll put it with the wink. And what does this say? Trunk. 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 Right, we'll put it there. Let's read some more words with the nk sound. What does this say? Drink. Drink. Let's put it there. What does this say? Link. Link. Right. Where does that go? Great. And what does this say? Skunk. Skunk. Right. Let's put it with a picture of the skunk. And what does this say? Honk. Honk. Right, so we'll put it here. Thanks so much for coming to read these words with the nk sound in them. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.